In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join and earn with the Renderforest affiliate program. We'll walk through the entire process, from applying to sharing your affiliate link and tracking results so you can start promoting with confidence. First, open your browser and go to www.renderforest.com/partners affiliates. This is the official affiliate program page where you can learn the basics and start your application. When you're ready, click Apply Now. You'll be prompted to sign up. Select Sign Up and review the contract terms presented. Take a moment to read them carefully so you understand commission structure, payout timelines, and any rules about acceptable promotion methods. If everything looks good, agree to the terms to proceed. Next, sign up using your email. Use a professional email you check often, since approval updates will be sent there. You'll be asked for your full name, email address, and mobile number. Enter accurate details that match your business or content brand, as this helps with verification and communication. You'll then see a section called Tell About Yourself. This is your chance to explain how you plan to promote Renderforest. Share where your audience lives online, whether that's a blog, a YouTube channel, social platforms, a website, or an email list, and give a brief description of your niche and typical content. Be specific about your traffic sources and the value you provide. Clear, honest answers can help the team assess your application more quickly. When everything looks complete, submit your application. Approval times can vary, so keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam folder just in case. Once you're approved, log into your affiliate dashboard. You'll find your unique affiliate link there. This link tracks referrals back to you, so always use it when promoting. Start sharing your link on your blog, YouTube descriptions, social media posts, your website, or within your email newsletter. Provide helpful context, like a tutorial, review, or case study, so your audience understands why Renderforest is useful. Always follow platform rules and include a clear affiliate disclosure as required by law. Avoid spammy tactics. Focus on genuine recommendations and helpful content. When someone clicks your link and buys a subscription or product, you earn a commission. You can monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings inside your affiliate dashboard. Check your performance regularly, test different placements and messages, and double down on what works. That's it. Head to the affiliate page, apply, get your link, share it responsibly, and track your results. Happy promoting!